Breaking news from the United States, where a private jet carrying 8 people has crashed at a Maine airport. The incident occurred at Bangor International Airport in Maine. According to authorities, the private business jet crashed during its takeoff attempt. The crash happened during severe winter weather, with snow and difficult runway conditions reported in the area. Emergency crews responded immediately. There were 8 people on board the aircraft, including crew members. Authorities have confirmed multiple fatalities and at least 1 survivor with serious injuries. The aircraft involved was a large private business jet. Following the crash, the airport was temporarily closed as emergency crews secured the scene. The Federal Aviation Administration and the National Transportation Safety Board have launched an investigation. Officials say it is too early to determine the exact cause of the crash. Aviation experts note that winter weather can significantly increase risks during takeoff and landing. Investigators will review weather data, aircraft systems, and flight procedures. Our thoughts are with those affected by this tragedy. Updates will follow as investigators release more information.